What's up, first grade? Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. Today we will practice using a number bond to add double-digit numbers. Let's get started. If you don't already have a pencil and a paper in front of you, go ahead and pause the video and grab a pencil and paper. Now that you have those, we can do our activities together. All right, we first are going to start with a warm-up. Before we can get started, go ahead and put your pointer finger up. Put your pointer finger on the first word. The first word is use. Go ahead and read it with me. Use pennies to create number sentences that equal 10. Go ahead and read that one more time. All right. If you don't already have pennies or dimes near you, go ahead and pause the video to grab some pennies. You're going to need 10, or grab some dimes. If you don't have any of the coins to count, you can grab different things that you can count, like Legos, blocks, macaroni, beans, cereal, anything like that. Go ahead and pause the video and grab your counters. All right, now that you have your counters, let's get started. On your paper, you're gonna write different number sentences that all equal the number 10. So you might wanna change them to all equal the number 10. All right, so how can I make these pennies equal the number 10? I could do a group of 10 plus how many more? 0 more. I could do a group of 5 plus another group of 5, and what does that equal? 10, you're right. Go ahead and pause the video and try to do this with 5 different number sentences. All right, now that you guys have all done it with pennies, let's go ahead and try it one more time. And we're going to try it with dimes. So you're going to use dimes and pennies to create number sentences that equal 20. Go ahead and try that on your own with 5 different sentences. Pause the video. All right, now that we're done with that, we're going to complete our warm-up and we're going to move on to a sprint. We have done sprints so many times in class. The only difference is today you don't have the paper with the number problems already written for you, so you're going to have to write them yourself. It will take a little bit longer. So is it okay if we don't finish all 30? Definitely. Is it okay if we don't even finish 15? Absolutely. Go at your own pace and try to do as many as you can. Point to yourself and say, I can do it. Point to the screen and say, my friends can do it. Put your hand in the air like this and swirl around and say, we all can do it. All right. Are you ready? Do you have a pencil and a paper? You're going to write the number sentence and you're going to fill in the blank. So I would write 5 plus blank equals 10, and I would fill in the blank 5 plus how many more make 10? 5, so I would write 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, you ready? You have 1 minute. Get set, go. All right, and stop right there. Pause the video, count how many you got. Sweet. If you got 5 of those questions, if you completed 5 of them, I want you to give yourself, say, 2 claps and a oh yeah. If you got 10 of those, then you can go ahead and give yourself a ooh, ah, I'm a fuzzy bear. If you got more than 10, I want you to give yourself a little rock solid knuckle bump. If you didn't get any of those, that's okay too. Go ahead and pat your back and say, I did it, I tried my best. All right, and we're gonna move on way past our warm-up, so our brain is super warm now and we are ready to learn. Today we are using number bonds to solve. So here I have, go ahead and read the number sentence to yourself. It says 11 plus 14 equals blank. We're going to try and figure this out by breaking it up and making our number bonds broken up by tens and ones. So how can I break up the number 11? How can I say it the say 10 way? You're right, 1 10 and 1 1. Nice. How can I break up the number 14? 1 group of 10 and 1 1. It's really important that we don't just write a 1 right here, because if we wrote a 1, it would be 1 plus 1 equals 14. And does 1 plus 1 equal 14? No, it equals 2. So we got to make sure we write 10. Sweet. Now we want to make different number sentences to help us figure this out. So I'm going to make a tens number sentence where I add all the tens together, and a ones number sentence where I add all the ones together. Go ahead and do the same. Pause the video and write your number sentence. If you wrote 10 plus 10 for your tens equals 20, nice job. And I'm going to cross them out so I know that I already did them, so don't accidentally add them again. Go ahead and write your ones one. If you wrote 1 plus 1, does 14 have one group of 10 and 1? No, it has 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Nice job. Now you got to add those together. I can't forget. So 20. Oh, Miss Hernandez looks real funny. I'm trying here. 20 plus 5. What does 20 plus 5 equal? 25. You're right. So my number sentence is 20 plus 5 equals 25, and 11 plus 14 equals 25. You can try this strategy on your own homework today. Let's keep going. We're going to move on to our number of the day, or problem of the day, my bad. We're going to read it together. Good readers, point your fingers on the first word. Luis hides 11 acorns under a tree. Later, he gives 5 of the acorns to his friend. How many acorns does Luis have? Build the problem with tens and ones, then create a number sentence. Go ahead and pause the video and read it one more time to yourself. After you've read it to yourself, I want you to think in your brain. If Luis gives 5 acorns away, is he getting more and adding, or is he losing them and subtracting? You're right, he is losing them. Go ahead and try and find your answer using your subtraction sentence and by building it. You've got your answer. Move on to the next part. You can pause it right here until you're ready. All right, finally, it is your turn. Today, your activity that you are submitting on Class Dojo with a video is Lesson 25, page 103 to 104. After that, you can choose one activity to do. Math book pages 41 through 44, ST Math for 20 minutes, or the number story we just did you can do, and you can use that. Make sure that you do your main activity and then choose one. You don't have to do all of these. All right, don't forget to submit a video of your math on Class Dojo under Math Monday. Good luck and have a good day.